Don't throw away your old picture frames.
Most people might get a new glass if it's broken or turn it into a mirror. I'm gonna do something different. And this frame's actually vintage, or like the 90s if that is vintage. So I need to remove these nails to take the back off. Well, that was easy. I'm actually not gonna even need the glass, but I'll save it for a future project. Let's go get the supplies. Oh, this is the prettiest green. And I'm gonna grab one of these to cut for the fluff. Bear with me, I know I sound crazy. This is gonna look great. I am tracing it now. I'm gonna cut it out. I wonder if a razor would be better for this. I'm gonna measure and turn this into 5 sections. Yay, math. Hey Siri, 8 divided by 5. 3.25. And make straight lines all the way across. More cutting. I'm gonna cover each of these with this pretty fabric I got. I'm gonna staple here and then fold this over and staple again. All right, I am putting the foam in and wrapping this around it. I'm a giant dummy that just stapled into her floor. Don't even bother leaving a hate comment. It was stupid, okay? I know.
Here I am cutting out all of the fabric and then stapling it on, wrapping it around and stapling it again for every single piece to the back of the frame.
I just realized I did this one upside down and apparently it matters. So I'm just gonna cover it with a new piece. I'm almost done, but this is just too shiny. I mean, tell me that isn't 90s. I'm gonna use some Rub and Buff to change the shade of the gold. I'm gonna start with the color Grecian Gold. And instantly that shine is gone. Now it's just a little splotchy, so I'm gonna use another gold. I think I'm gonna go with the darker one. Just around some of the tips. Oh my gosh, that gold is so much prettier. I gotta put the nails back in the top to hold this in place. In goes one more pin. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Every time I take my rings off, now I have a beautiful custom place to put it. It just tucks right in between each of those slots. It stores them safely. They don't fall out. It looks sleek. It saved it from the landfill. It saved me money. It stands up on its own, or I can hang it on the wall if I want to. I love the gold with that beautiful deep green velvet color. It's soft to the touch. It's just absolutely beautiful, and this is a really easy project, as you can see. Follow my page for more DIY.